In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply security deposits to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you collect security deposits and want to use one of those deposits to reduce what a customer owes on an invoice, QuickBooks Online can handle that very neatly. The key is to set it up the right way so the deposit is tracked as a liability first and then correctly applied when needed. I'll walk you through the full process from setup to final application. First, you'll need to create a liability account. In QuickBooks Online, go to Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. From there, click New. For the account type, choose Other Current Liabilities. Then, under Detail Type, select Other Current Liabilities or Security Deposits if that option appears in your version. Name the account Security Deposits, then click Save and Close. This step is important because a security deposit is not income when you receive it. It's money you may owe back or later apply, so it needs to be tracked as a liability. Next, create a service item for the security deposit. Open Settings using the gear icon, then go to Products and Services. Click New and choose Service. Name the item Security Deposit. In the Income Account drop-down, select the liability account you just created. Also make sure this item is not marked as taxable. Then click Save and Close. This gives you a clean item to use whenever you need to record or apply a deposit, and linking it to the liability account ensures the accounting stays accurate. Now create the credit memo. Click New and select Credit Memo. Choose the customer's name, then in the Product or Service column, select the security deposit item you just created. Enter the amount of the deposit you want to apply, and then select Save and Close. Think of this credit memo as the tool that turns the stored deposit into a credit available for that customer. Finally, apply the credit memo to the invoice. Click New and select Receive Payment. Choose the customer from the drop-down menu. In the Outstanding Transactions section, select the invoice you want to pay. Then in the Credits section, check the credit memo you created. Review the total to make sure the amount being applied is correct, and then click Save and Close. That's it. By creating the liability account, linking it to a service item, turning the deposit into a credit memo, and then applying that credit during payment, you can properly apply security deposits to invoices in QuickBooks Online while keeping your books organized and accurate.